We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go that extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.